Watching videos on the internet might just be the easiest thing in the world. All you need to do is literally sit back and watch while the video plays on your phone, and it really takes nothing at all. Now today, we've got a trick that's gonna help you make money by just doing that. That's right, you heard it. All you need to do is watch videos and then you're gonna get paid for it. Now the best thing about this is that this method is actually available all around the world. All you need is Wi-Fi and a PayPal account and you're pretty much good to go. Now you can make up to $3 per video, so obviously the more videos that you watch, the more money that you will make. Now we've even got a secret tip that's gonna help you make double and triple than you're supposed to monthly. So you can actually make like thousands of dollars a month with this technique. Now make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get to your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel, where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So if you're someone who doesn't really do much and who has a lot of free time, and you want to make money during those times that you are free, then this method for today is exactly what you need. Now all you have to do is to go to this site, and as you can see here, now basically this website is like, it shows you videos like YouTube and pays you for it. You can earn money if you also answer some paid surveys or if you want to play games, and we're gonna get into that later anyway. Here's how it works. So the website's name is Gt2u.org. And when you open that website, you're going to make an account. Now, when you make an account, it's very easy. You just need to put in all the information being asked and then select your country. Now, there is still a very tiny chance that your country is not on the list of supported areas, but that is only in areas that don't have PayPal support. So now you know. Remembering this, once you've already created your account, you're going to receive a signing up bonus of $1. Now you can see that $1 has been deposited into your account and you just need to earn a little bit more so you can cash it all out. Now Gt2u offers paid via Coinbase, Bitcoin, wallet, PayPal, and even gift cards, so there are a lot of payment methods available to you. If you're someone who's into crypto and all of that, Bitcoin is a great option. But if you're someone that's not too much into coins, who wants to get cash, and you can just stick to PayPal since that is quite more convenient personally. Now once you're actually on the main page, you're gonna see a list of websites, and these are all the websites that you can use to make money. Now there are also games, surveys, and videos that you can use to make money that we mentioned earlier. Now first things first, let's look at the video section and then we're going to talk about the rest of the ways that you can use this website. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. You just need to click on the video button and you'll be redirected to a brand new page, and on this brand new page, you're going to choose which videos that you actually want to watch. Now there are a ton of different categories and genres, so everyone can find something that they like and what they want to watch. Personally, you know if they want to talk about tech, if they want to talk about celebrity news, fashion, food, even lifestyle, literally anything that you want. Now all you need to do is find a category that you want to watch and then start watching. Once the video starts, you need to stay on the page for at least 30 seconds so that your visit will be credited. Now, this is very important because if you leave before 30 seconds, you won't get paid. Even if you stay for 29 seconds, as long as it is not 30, you are not gonna get paid. Okay, now for every single video that you watch, you will get your Gt2u points at every 100 Gt2u points. It is equivalent to $1. And as soon as you hit $7, you can finally pay out. So it's not even 10, not even 15. Once you have $7, you can take that money out right away. Now, one more thing that you're actually going to be absolutely fascinated about this website is that it actually pays you more than all the other websites out there. You know, most sites, they only pay 50 of the survey money you're making, but Gt2u pays you 85, so that's huge, okay? So now this is because actually Gt2u has all the highest paying offers because of their reliability and trustworthiness. Now back to the video. Now how can you double your earnings using the secret tip that we mentioned in the first part? Now for this secret tip, you need a lot of internet devices, and as much as you can, get all of your cell phones, computers, laptops, literally tablets, and basically everything and anything that you can use to watch videos that work. And the thing is, Gt2u is gonna let you play multiple videos all at once, and then you're gonna get paid for all of them. So let's say 50 an hour with one device, then you can get that up to 150 with 3 devices. And once you calculate how much that ends up in making a month, you'd be surprised now. Like we said, you know how you can make thousands of dollars a month with this method. This website we mentioned that you can earn more rates than one, and you can actually earn 3 paid surveys. Now, paid surveys are one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet, right? You know, a lot of people use them, and honestly, they're a really great way to make some very easy money. Now, every survey you do actually gets you Gt2u points, which you then can exchange for real money. Now, the surveys, they only take you like 5 minutes or less to complete. At the same time, you're exercising your brain, so where's the loss in that, right? And then another way of earning through this website is by playing their games. If you don't like surveys, then you can do games. And actually, once you get addicted to a game, you'll basically be getting paid for playing video games. And at the end of the day, it's literally not even work because you love it. Now, isn't that such a wonderful thing? So just play games all day and make tons of money. In that way, now the game option is very attractive for teenagers and students that want to make money, but also want to stay entertained. So technically, it means you're a professional gamer. Now, that sounds pretty cool, right? Now, the games here are all free to play, and since you improve better and better, the more you practice and play, the more money you can make by, you know, winning these games and being successful in these games. If you thought those were it, you know, surveys and games, there are still other ways in those that you can do to earn money using this set, and one of those is to actually watch ads. Now, Gt2u has a list of websites you can go on to, watch ads, and get paid. And all of these websites, they're very reliable, they're real, and they pay really, really good. Now, what you want to remember though, is that these ads and offers are offered like for very limited time. And if you don't go and avail right now, then you might lose the opportunity. And with that being said, it's really up to you on how you decide to use this method to make money. You know, do what you will, if I say. Now, we do recommend that you use all the devices that you can get your hands on, and then use all of them at the same time to maximize your earnings and get more points. Through the surveys, play the games really as much as you possibly can. Like, while you're playing games, you can let videos from the other device or let videos run while you're doing service, or like, you can do surveys, videos, and games all at the same time, right? That's easy, and once again, a lot of these offers are only available for a very limited time, and you don't want to miss out on that, so we recommend that you go ahead and get started so you can make money today. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first ones to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.